Alright, so here we have this alarm clock. It came in this box, in this sleeve. This came inside here as a stand. It came with a little cell button, which I already put inside here. And it comes with a very long cable. So I'm just using my multi one. So let's peel this off. So you have so many options and colors. You have colors on the bottom here. I'll show you what I mean. So for the snooze button, if you click that, it will change. The snooze button has two functions for the multicolor. That one changes. So you have all kinds of, colors to choose from. Here, there's a dimmer. Here's to change different colors, and the plus and minus for intensity, and also to adjust the time. So let's the bottom one, show you that. Yellows. If I use this, you can see it better. So it's like a rainbow effect. Okay, and here you could change the brightness of the clock. Okay, so that's the brightest, and here's a change the bottom brightness. It's very bright, so let's see. And the alarm, I'm not gonna put on, it's super loud. Trust me, it's very loud. Okay, it will definitely wake you up. And so here you have the volume for the alarm. Here's the volume alarm 1 and alarm 2, and this is to set the actual time and the date as well. So right now it's Sunday. But yeah, it's a great clock, very loud. I'm not using this for alarm, I just like the colors. I think it's cool. That's why I got it. But yeah, highly recommend this. Click the link below to get this item. And also, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more real deal reviews.